Hey, 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 welcome back to Chill English Time. I'm Emma.
And I'm Michael. And guys, I have to be honest with you. Before we started recording today, I had a huge burger and some fries, and I have absolutely no regrets.
Michael, that is exactly why today's episode is perfect for you, because today we are going to a fast food restaurant with Rose.
That's right. Today, you will follow Rose through 5 real, delicious, and very useful fast food situations: ordering at the counter, going through the drive-thru, dealing with a wrong order, and even getting food delivered.
And every single dialogue is simple, natural, and super easy to understand and repeat. This is real English, the kind you will actually use the next time you walk into a fast food restaurant anywhere in the world.
Whether you're in New York, London, Sydney, or anywhere else, fast food restaurants use the same English. So learn it once and use it everywhere.
We have 5 amazing dialogues today, all A1 and A2 level, short sentences, easy vocabulary, and real situations that happen every day at fast food restaurants all around the world.
You can listen once, then listen again and repeat. Pause the video, practice the phrases, say them out loud. That is how this English gets into your brain and stays there.
Before we dive in, if you are new here, welcome. We are so happy you found Chill English Time. Please subscribe right now so you never miss a new episode. We post every single week.
And to everyone already in the family, thank you. Give this video a big thumbs up right now. Every like really helps us reach more English learners around the world. We appreciate it so much.
And leave us a comment. Tell us, what is your favorite fast food? Burger? Pizza? Tacos? Sushi? Write it below in English. We want to know.
Okay, Rose is hungry. Let's go get some food.
I'm so hungry. What do you want to eat tonight? I don't know. What do you want? I asked you first. Okay. I'm in the mood for something fast and easy. I don't want to cook tonight. Me neither. I am way too tired to cook. Should we order delivery or go out? Let's go out. I need some fresh air. I've been inside all day. Good idea. Okay, what are we feeling? Pizza, sushi, burgers? Burgers. I really want a burger and fries and a big cold soda. Oh, yes, that sounds amazing right now. Okay, burger it is. Which place do you want to go to? What about Burger Bolt? It's only 10 minutes from here, and they have those amazing crispy chicken sandwiches too, in case I change my mind. Burger Bolt, yes, I love their onion rings, and their milkshakes are so good. I know. Last time I had the strawberry milkshake and it was incredible. I still think about it. You still think about it? Rose, that was 3 months ago. It was that good, Lucy. You had the chocolate one. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, fair point. The chocolate milkshake was also life-changing. All right, Burger Bolt it is. Perfect. Should we eat there or take it home? Let's eat there. I want to get out of this apartment, and I love their little booths. So cozy. Agreed. Okay, let me get my jacket and my wallet. I need to check if I have cash. Don't worry, they take cards. I checked last time. Good. I never have cash anymore. Okay, shoes, jacket, phone, keys. I think I'm ready. Me too. Let's go before I change my mind and just order pizza from the sofa. Don't you dare. We are going out tonight. Come on. Okay. Let's go get those burgers. Finally, I'm already dreaming about those fries.
Hi there. Welcome to Burger Bolt. What can I get for you today?
Hi. Can I get a moment to look at the menu? I think I know what I want, but I just want to double check.
Of course. Take your time. No rush at all.
Thank you.
Looks up at menu. Okay, I'd like the classic Burger Bolt meal, please, with a regular Coke.
Great choice. The classic Burger Bolt meal. That comes with a burger, regular fries, and a drink. Would you like to upsize your fries and drink to large for just $1 more?
Yes, let's go large. Why not?
Love that energy. Smiles. And how would you like your burger cooked? We do regular or well done.
Well done, please. I don't like it pink in the middle.
Well done. Perfect. Any toppings you'd like to add or remove? The classic comes with lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, ketchup, and mayo.
Can I remove the pickles, please? I really don't like pickles.
No pickles, absolutely. Anything else you'd like to add? We have extra cheese, bacon, jalapenos, or a fried egg.
Ooh, can I add extra cheese and bacon, please?
Of course, extra cheese is 50 cents and bacon is $1. Is that okay?
Yes, that's fine. And also, can I add an order of onion rings on the side? My friend wants to share them.
Sure. Regular or large onion rings?
Regular is fine. Oh, and one strawberry milkshake, please. Medium.
One medium strawberry milkshake, coming right up. Okay, let me read your order back to you. One classic Burger Bolt meal, upsized to large, well done, no pickles, extra cheese and bacon with a large Coke, plus one regular onion rings and one medium strawberry milkshake. Is that everything?
Yes, that's perfect. Oh, wait, actually, can I change the large Coke to a large lemonade? Sorry.
No problem at all. Large lemonade instead of Coke. Done. Is this for here or to go?
For here, please.
Perfect. Your total comes to $14.75. How would you like to pay?
By card, please. Taps card. Done.
Thank you. Your order number is 47. We'll call your number when it's ready. It should be about 5 to 7 minutes.
Great, thank you so much.
Enjoy your meal. Have a great evening.
Good evening. I'm the manager, David. I heard there was a problem with your order. I'm very sorry about that.
Hi, David. Yes, I ordered my burger with no pickles and with extra cheese and bacon, but the burger has pickles and no bacon. I also asked for well done, but it looks a little pink inside.
I completely understand, and I sincerely apologize. That should not have happened. I'm going to make you a brand new burger right now, exactly the way you ordered it.
Thank you. I really appreciate that.
Of course. It's going to take about 3 minutes. Can I offer you something while you wait? A complimentary drink refill or some extra fries?
Oh, that's very kind. Some extra fries would be lovely. Thank you.
Absolutely. I'll bring those to your table right now. And again, I am truly sorry for the inconvenience, Rose.
It's okay. These things happen. I really appreciate you fixing it so quickly.
That's our job. We want every customer to leave happy. I'll be right back with your fries and your new burger. Leaves and returns in a few minutes. Here you go. One classic Burger Bolt. Well done, no pickles, extra cheese, and extra bacon. I added a little more bacon to make up for the mistake. And here are your complimentary fries.
I opened the burger. This looks perfect. Thank you so much, David. You handled this really well.
Thank you for being so understanding. Enjoy your meal, and please, if anything else is not right, just come and find me directly. I'm here all evening.
I will. Thank you. Have a good evening.
You too. Enjoy.
Welcome to Burger Bolt. What can I get for you today? Hi, can I get a spicy chicken sandwich meal, please? Medium size. Sure. One medium spicy chicken sandwich meal. What drink would you like with that? We have Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, orange juice, lemonade, and water. I'll have a Diet Coke, please. One medium Diet Coke. Anything else for you today? Yes. Can I also get a small vanilla ice cream? And do you still have the BBQ bacon burger? I saw it on the sign outside. Yes, the BBQ bacon burger is still available. It's a limited time item though, only for 2 more weeks. Oh, then I definitely have to try it. Can I add one of those too, please? Just the burger, no meal. Of course, one BBQ bacon burger on its own. Any sauces with that? Yes, please. Can I get some BBQ sauce and some ketchup packets on the side? No problem. Let me read that back. One medium spicy chicken sandwich meal with Diet Coke, one BBQ bacon burger, one small vanilla ice cream, BBQ sauce, and ketchup packets. Is that correct? Yes, that's perfect. Great. Your total is $13.20. Please pull forward to the first window to pay. Thank you. Drives forward. At window. Hi, here's my card. At window. Hi, that's $13.20. Takes card. Thank you. Please pull up to the second window to collect your order. Thank you. Drives to second window. Hi. At second window. Hi. Here is your spicy chicken meal, your BBQ bacon burger, your vanilla ice cream, and your sauces. Everything is in the bag. Thank you so much. Oh, sorry, can I get some extra napkins? I always make a mess with sauces. Of course. Here are some extra napkins. Enjoy your food. Thank you. Have a great evening. You too. Drive safe. Drives away. Perfect. Now, I just need to not eat all of this before I get home.
Okay, Burger Bolt delivery. Yes, they deliver to my area. Let me see the menu. Oh, the double smash burger looks amazing. And those loaded fries? Okay, I'm getting both. Hello?
Hi, good afternoon. This is Jake from Burger Bolt Delivery. I have an order for Rose Carter.
Yes, that's me. Hi, Jake.
Hi, Rose. I'm outside your building, but I can't find the entrance. The app shows building number 14, but there are 2 buildings here, A and B. Which one are you in?
Oh, I'm in building 14B. I'm sorry, I always forget to add that. The entrance is on the side street, not the main road.
Ah, got it. The side street. Okay, I can see it now. I'll be at your door in about 2 minutes.
Perfect. I'll buzz you in. The apartment is on the 3rd floor, number 3C.
3rd floor, 3C. Got it. See you in a moment.
Thank you. Buzzes him in, opens door. Hi, thank you so much for coming.
No problem at all. Here is your order. 1 double smash burger meal and 1 loaded fries. Hands over bags. Everything is sealed and hot.
Amazing. It smells incredible. Can I just check the bag quickly?
Of course, go ahead.
Checks bag. Double smash burger, check. Loaded fries, check. Ketchup and mayo sauce, check. Napkins, check. Looks like everything is here.
Great. And I also brought extra napkins because the app showed you added a note asking for extra napkins.
Yes, I always need extra napkins. Thank you for reading that.
Of course. And the drink, 1 large Sprite. It's in the cup holder section of the bag.
Oh, perfect. I see it. Thank you so much, Jake. You were so fast. I only ordered 30 minutes ago.
We try our best. I hope you enjoy your food, Rose. Have a great Sunday.
You too, and thank you again. I already left you a 5-star review on the app.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. That really means a lot. Take care.
Take care. Bye. Perfect Sunday. Pajamas, TV, and a double smash burger. Life is good.
And that is how you eat fast food in English. 5 real situations: deciding where to eat, ordering at the counter, handling a wrong order, going through the drive-thru, and getting food delivered at home.
And Rose had quite a day, but she handled every single situation like a pro. And now, so can you, because you heard every phrase, every question, every answer.
Think about how much English you just learned. I'm in the mood for burgers. Can I upsize? No pickles, please. For here or to go. I'm sorry to bother you, but pull forward to the first window. I'll buzz you in.
These are real phrases, the exact words that real people say every single day at fast food restaurants all over the world. And now they are inside your head, ready to use.
And can we talk about the most important lesson from Dialogue 3? When Rose's order was wrong, she went back politely. She didn't get angry. She said, "I'm sorry to bother you, but..." And she explained the problem clearly.
That is real life English skill, knowing how to handle a problem calmly, politely, and clearly. That skill will help you everywhere, not just at fast food restaurants.
Your practice challenge for today. Go back to Dialogue 2 and read it out loud. Be Rose and be the cashier. Every single line. Try to say it naturally, like a real conversation.
And here's a bonus challenge. Next time you order food anywhere, try to do it in English, even in your head. Think the words in English. That is how your brain starts to switch.
If today's episode made you hungry and helped you learn English, give it a thumbs up right now. And subscribe if you haven't already. New episode every week.
Leave a comment. Tell us, what is your favorite fast food order? Write it in English. I always get a... Finish the sentence below. We will reply to as many as we can.
And next week, Rose goes to a sit-down restaurant for a special dinner. Starter, main course, dessert, the bill, all in English. Very elegant, very useful. You are going to love it.
This is Chill English Time, where even a burger comes with a side of great English. Burger.
I'm Michael.
And we'll see you in the next episode. Stay hungry for English.